In this video, I'm going to show you how to perfect these super cute passion twists. And we're starting right now. Hey guys, it's Natural Hair is Key. And if you're new here and you enjoy beauty, crochets, and hair tutorials, then smash that subscribe button and click that bell icon so you won't miss any more videos. So here I'm starting off with this beautiful bohemian water wave in its synthetic hair. I absolutely love this 1B27 ombre. It is so gorgeous. To install the hair, you will need 2 pieces of the passion twist hair. And then I am using the edgewax just to slick my parts down before I band them in place. And then I'm taking the beeswax to apply that to my actual strands like so. And you have to smooth this into your hair. Otherwise, your hair will not be nice and sleek. It will just revert back to being curly when you start to 2-strand twist your hair with the passion twist. Now you want to insert your crochet needle underneath your banded part. And then you want to attach the 2 strands to the hook of your crochet needle, like so. Close the latch and then pull it through. And open your loop and take the 2 pieces of hair only. You should have 4 pieces, but you're only taking 2 through the actual loop. Then you're taking both ends of the hair and pulling it away from your head to make that knot tight, like so. Then you want to separate your hair into 2 pieces and add 1 strand each to the passion twist hair. And then you want to start to 2-strand twist while utilizing the beeswax. And once you get to the bottom, you would just want to twirl the end so that the twist stays in place. And then I'm just going to repeat that step all over again so that you can see it one more time. Also, if you need a reference or a guide to assist you with your parting skills, I got you. I made a video for that as well, and I will link it at the end of this video. Now I'm just going to decorate my hair with some gold rings. the end of this clip. I am on my way to Florida, in case you're wondering why I was in the car recording this. But anyways, make sure to let me know your thoughts down in the comments. And if you enjoyed this style, make sure you smash that like button. And be sure to check out my playlist. I have some other bomb crochet hairstyles that you will definitely enjoy. So I'll see you on the next video. Smooches.